Yes.
Yeah, great.
Oh, yeah,
Great.
absolutely.
Just following the line. So you
Yes.
have the,
Is
like,
that a
have the
line
light
sensor?
sensor?
Yes.
Colors? Is that a light
Oh,
sensor
there.
on that one?
So, okay, so that, so.
Let's run again, one more time.
Yeah.
Yeah, do it again, yeah.
All right.
Oh, don't lean.
Don't lean too far. You want to put it on the other side?
No,
No.
put it in a different spot,
Put it in the
different
other
spot,
place.
different spot.
Put it in the other place.
Shift them. I know you can't do that in the match, but for
Can't
now.
do it in the match, but I can do it here. I want to see you. I want to see you find it. You know, 'cause it can be any place, random.
Go ahead.
So let's see.
Nice, so it's following, it's going past the orange, good.
And it says,
Ah,
there's the
there it
green
is,
one.
green. Hey, and you got it this time.
Okay, cool.
Cool, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, well, now we have our one quilt. So.
Take off your parts. Let the next person do.
You good?
So you
How
just
do-
connected
how-
a wire, what did you disconnect and why?
We disconnected the light sensor.
Oh, okay.
It's not gonna follow the line.
Okay.
We just want-
How can you be sure that, because of the way that you're picking this guy up, how can you be sure that you're going to be moved the right direction
Oh yeah. I did.
so that when you stop, then you go like this to pick the guy up?
I just found out. I just kept on doing it over test, and so it only could only sense it when it's turned this way, not that way. So
Okay.
Oh,
like
okay.
every single time.
So when I was following the line, you had to be
Yeah.
oriented.
Yeah.
Okay,
So it's always going to end up that
Yeah.
way?
okay.
As long as the orientation is halfway decent, then it will.
Now, are you using a touch sensor to sense that wall or just?
Oh.
Not bad.
Oh, dang it. Yeah.
What was that supposed to do?
So what was that supposed to
Supposed to back up the chair.
do? Supposed to get the chair, okay.
It's supposed to back up and then turn to get the chair and then go back.
So now, is this all just
the
mechanical
dog back on.
rotations and
Uh,
turning degrees and stuff
Yeah.
to do the movement here?
Oh,
So that's- we got-
That's all. Did you change the focus? Oh. Okay.
So it's supposed to aim farther that way to
Yeah.
get the chair?
And yeah, I think it's supposed to square up here again, right?
And it's
Yeah.
not.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
not
it's not
squaring
squared
up. Yeah.
It's like the turn is a bit like the
Okay.
turn.
Chris, you have next part.
Oh.
Go ahead,
These are the,
don't wait for me.
okay, so now you're doing more on quilts.
Dude, it's okay.
It would help if I pushed the right buttons. See, I'm lost without my camera. I forgot it at home, but this is how we remember who you are, what your robot is doing.
Yeah, just like
You know, everybody's coming in.
Everyone's
and
doing this,
that.
yeah.
Yeah.
First he came in and did it, and I'm going, huh? And everybody,
Oh, so you get the dog too, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, does it matter where the dog is?
Not really.
Okay, so,
It's all there in base.
is it because this was,
well, but what if the dog is, you know, like
Which
way
one?
out here?
It goes forward a bit and like it pushes it a little bit and then it gets it.
oh, because you have that,
And
Yeah.
it'll push it back all the way as far as it needs to.
Yeah, it pushes, it's gonna push it as far as it needs, and then,
Are you gonna go or is we can?
So how did you decide as a group which missions to go after while they're setting it up for the next thing?
Wait, which questions?
Yeah,
Which ones to go for? How did you decide as a group which missions to go for?
We just like decided like how much time it took to do the missions and how many points it had. So if like the ones over there, it took like 10 seconds at least to get over there, and then 10 seconds back. And sometimes it failed because there's bumps on the way. so we decided not to do that one.
And you're using the color sensor. Oh, and you're using a light sensor too. How consistent are you? How consistent do you guys judge yourself to be on the missions that you're?
I'm pretty sure that this one is pretty consistent, like at least like 70% of the time. This one is usually, well, we sometimes don't get this one, but we usually do the other ones. Yeah, and this one's pretty consistent.
Whoa, what? Wrong program.
That's okay. Your attachments are nicely, fairly simple.
That doesn't fall, okay.
And then what is
So then what was it
Supposed to go through here, but it like kind of clipped onto me.
Oh, yeah, okay, it'll show us again. We haven't seen anyone make it on the bridge yet, so.
Yeah, don't feel bad.
No, let it run, Ethan.
No, not.
Ethan, let it run.
It clipped onto the
On the
Or-
plant thing? Oh. So, what's your, are you using the sensors here at all? for
No.
the moment? No, okay.
because when you use the light sensor, it takes.
Yeah, it's lower, okay.
Because you could use a light sensor to see that line, but then that line isn't straight across either, so. Coming your way.
What the heck? The turns are unresponsive again.
2 minutes.
Thank you.
You get points for knocking that thing off, off the top of the,
No, only if they bring it back.
only the ring back.
So the short missions seem to be pretty consistent,
Yeah.
the long missions.
No, but this was working, but with the turns suddenly won't turn.
I think you should like set it up from the back next time. So,
Why do you have gears on the outside of your wheel?
Yeah, I was wondering
I don't
about
know.
that.
Just design?
yeah.
It's a
Make it
design.
cool.
Cosmetic?
Yeah,
Yeah.
cosmetic.
Extra weight? Grabs the ice better?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not turning right then. See, look how little it turns.
Now let it run.
It doesn't work.
Doesn't matter, really.
Well, okay, when that lifts up, what is that lifting up to do?
Yeah.
It's so it didn't click on from here.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Okay, can you, well, I guess you can't set it right in front of it. Well, wait, here too, let it run this whole thing, and then when it gets to the right point, put it
Put it
here.
there.
Just put it,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
But it's like the turns aren't responding.
You just
Just run
I
the
think
car
it's
around.
maybe the wheel
Program it
is
when it-
touching
when
Try
it's
to
nice,
guide it so
and
it
axis.
aim
goes
it,
in there.
aim it before it go, when it's supposed to go up on the bridge.
Yeah. So get ready to guide it over here. So
Yeah, it barely turns.
So in other words, it turns bad.
Or,
I don't know.
right there, you put it
Yeah,
there.
now it's supposed to, okay, so now, oh, nice.
And that worked. But how
So
are
you
you
can
gonna,
fix the turning, right? You know?
how are you gonna be fairly certain that you're straight on that? You know, you gotta be on the
Well-
straight.
It's supposed to turn the line here.
Was it using the sensor at all to get where the line is, or?
No,
Okay.
it's just not. Yeah.
I mean, once he gets the ramp, it works well.
Yeah.
How much time left?
Right now.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
that was nice.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, gentlemen. Good luck.